Say goodbye to bad hair days with these cute, easy claw clip hairstyles. Today we're covering best claw clip styles for all different hair types, textures, and lengths. Claw clips are such a versatile and easy-to-use hair accessory and can add a touch of style to any hairdo. From messy buns and sleek updos, claw clip styles are perfect for anyone who wants to keep their hair out of their face but still wants to maintain a casual and effortless look. We'll be sharing tips and tricks for getting the most out of your claw clips effectively, including how to position the clip for maximum hold and how to create volume and texture. We'll also be discussing the best types of claw clips for use for different hair lengths and types, along with recommendations for products you can use to enhance your look. With our expert tips and recommendations, you'll be able to create stylish and easy-to-wear looks for any occasion. So let's dive in and discover the best claw clip styles for your unique hair and style. Finding the perfect hairstyle can be a challenge, especially for those who have different hair lengths and textures. It always seems like TikTok tricks are only right for a very specific hair type, but there are just so many more types of hair out there. One size doesn't fit all, but finding easy and stylish hairstyles that work for your hair type shouldn't feel like an impossible task. That's where claw clips come in. The reason I love claw clips is because they are so easy. They're perfect for people who are on the go or don't want to wake up in time to do some elaborate hair routine. So let's get into some of the best styles for different hairstyles. For long hair, a messy bun is a classic claw clip style that's perfect for casual or dressy occasions. All you have to do is gather your hair into a high ponytail, twist it into a bun shape, and secure it in place with a large claw clip. You can let some pieces of hair fall out of the bun to create a relaxed and effortless look. Another simple option is half up, half down look. Start by sectioning off the top portion of your hair and securing it in a claw clip at the crown of your head. This will give you some volume and subtle lift. You can leave the rest of the hair down, or you can create a simple ponytail or braid with it. For medium-length hair, a classic ponytail is a solid go-to. Plus, it's more forgiving than classic elastic ponytail because you don't get that line across your hair. It's just as easy to do though. All you have to do is gather your hair into a low ponytail at the nape of your neck and secure it in place with a medium-sized claw clip. For those with short hair, a sleek and polished style is always a timeless option. Use a small claw clip to pull back the front sections of your hair, leaving the rest of your hair down. This style works well for those who want a sophisticated and professional look. Another great claw clip style for short hair is a textured pixie. Use a small claw clip to create volume and texture at the top of your hair, leaving the sides and back of your hair down. This style is perfect for those who want to add some edge and personality to their look. Now, let's talk for a second about different textures. Certain thicknesses and textures may call for different types of claw clips, and choosing the right one for you can make all the difference in your final look. First, we've got the classic claw clip, which is a great everyday use, but there are also jaw clips that have additional stylish elements that give them a fancier look. These come in all sorts of shapes and colors and can be a fun way to add a little pop of personality to your hair. And never underestimate mini claw clips. These little guys are perfect for holding small sections of hair or creating subtle updos. They're also great for styling hair of all different textures to create an ideal look. If you're looking for something with a little more grip, or you need something to hold up thicker hair, I recommend a jumbo claw clip. These bad boys have a larger size and stronger hold, making them perfect for thicker hair types. They're also great for creating updos that have more volume, like messy buns or half-up hairstyles. Remember, the key to great claw clip style is not to overthink it. Don't be afraid to play around with different textures, volumes, and positions to find a style that works best for you. With a little bit of practice and some expert tips and recommendations, you'll be able to create stylish and easy-to-wear looks for any occasion. Okay, now that we know some of the best styles for your unique texture and style, let's take a look at a few of the best clips to use. Here we've got the Arizona Matte Claw Clip. This 4-piece set is a classy and stylish option that's perfect for someone who wants to add a pop of color to their hair. These clips add a touch of fun without being too playful, making it good for a day to night look. Another option that has a similar vibe are the frosted claw clips by A&A. These have that same classy look with a dash of color, but they are able to hold more hair, so you can use them to achieve different styles. The A&A blue hair clips are a classic option that are perfect for those who want a sophisticated and polished look. These clips feature a glossy design that's sure to complement any outfit. The larger size of the clip makes them ideal for those with thicker or longer hair. For those who want an eco-friendly option, the Kitsch hair clip is a great choice. These clips are made from recycled plastic and feature a unique dome shape that's perfect for creating volume and texture in the hair. The larger size of clips make them ideal for those with thicker or longer hair. We also have the Kitsch recycled plastic large loop hair clip, which are one of our more subtle options on the list. They should absolutely be a staple of your hair routine because they go with everything. All of these claw clips products at JCPenney Beauty offer great grip and hold, ensuring that your hair stays in place all day long. They're also incredibly easy to use, making them a great option for those who are new to using hair accessories. With our expert tips and recommendations, you'll be able to create stylish and easy-to-wear looks for any occasion. In addition to a great claw clip, here are some must-have products to achieve perfect, effortless hairstyles. You don't need a lot of products, but there are some that can make a huge difference in how your hair looks and holds throughout the day. First, a good dry shampoo can be a lifesaver when it comes to extending the life of your claw clip styles. Look for a product that will absorb oil and sweat without leaving residue behind. I like Redken's Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. It's one of my go-tos to refresh my hair and give it new life between washes. For anyone with curls, you're going to want the Twist by Ouidad Glow the Extra Mile 2-in-1 Hydrating Dry Oil. When your curls start to lose their shape, you can bring them back to life with this style-reviving dry oil spray. It helps restore natural oils and add shine, giving them a longer life. Another must-have for curly hair is a good hair oil. Bomba Curls Forbidden Hair Oil is a lightweight, multi-purpose oil blend that captures Dominican beauty secrets in a bottle. This restoring formula reduces frizz, split ends, and breakage while enhancing hair health and luster. I also love this company because 90% of their brands are created by BIPOC founders who create products for people of all colors. They also have a hair mask that is not to be missed. Healthy, hydrated hair means long-lasting looks. With these products in your arsenal, you'll be able to create endless claw clip hairstyles that will last all day long. And I think that's a wrap on claw clips. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Whether you opt for bright pops of color or are aiming for a more classic look, claw clips are the perfect go-to for lazy days, quick fixes, and sophisticated styles. If you still have questions or want someone to help you find the right products or styles to pair with your hair type, we want to help. Come into any JCPenney Beauty, and our beauty experts will help you find the right stuff for your hair and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney. And be sure to ring the bell so you can get the best beauty information right as it comes. We'd also love to hear about your favorite claw clip styles, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.